What's up, everybody? So, we're back on part 2 of this brake upgrade series, if you will, on the 56 Chevy. We had the brake booster and everything put on the last video. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it. It's right there. So now we're going to go and put all the brake lines on this thing because it needs new brake lines too. And that should complete the kit so we can stop. So without further ado, let's jump on it, boss. Alright, so we've deciphered where all the brake lines and everything go. They drop down, this bottom one, this little one runs right here to the driver's side. Oh, I'm sorry, to the driver's side. And then it'll come off the top and the back here, and it'll run down around where this one's at to the passenger side. The one brake line will go off right here to the front, and then the other ones will go to the back where that line's at. So that was something we learned today. We're gonna get the car jacked up, wheels off of it, so we can get under it and work. Let's do it.
Alright, we're trying to get these brake lines loose.
I'm gonna roll under the car. Oh my God.
Where's that 10 at?
This one?
Yeah, the line wrench. It won't turn, it's so rusty. Did it come out?
Yep.
So that was done. All right.
Okay, give me that wrench.
10.
I'm gonna do this rear portion of the valve block. Take it loose. Alright, that's that. Now, probably a half. Alright, I'm gonna slide back under this car.
Alright, while Josh is under the car trying to get them brake lines freed up, we have a brake line to go on this caliper here, and we got to remove the old one as well. So that's our next step here. So we'll start out putting a banjo bolt together. Washer on each side.
Hey, do you have that line wrench beside you anywhere?
Negative.
Okay.
I can get it though.
I got it.
It's got a cap in it. Take the cap out. Next, there's a clamp or a clip. Gotta pull that apart. We gotta break that line loose. There it comes. Oh, hit the camera. Yeah, we're still going to break that line loose. I was afraid of that. Oh my gosh. Put it away. Yeah. Alright. And then it's free. It's free. I don't know where it went. Hey, there it is. And we're going to go back with the new brake line.
All right, take that one out. Need Lexi.
All right.
Show him this is Lexi.
It does. It's old Lexi. Yay.
Perfect.
All right, that's it for under this side.
All right, so
Here you go, so.
you take this off.
Makes it.
Get the light on. So now we're going to take this little short one, and it'll run just like that right there, I think.
Yep.
Really? Hold on. All right, so we got the first one on. The driver's side. Hooks right here in the bottom. Runs down to the back of the flex hose.
All right, so after looking at this crossover brake line, it looks like it needs to come from the bottom first. So we're going to attempt to feed it through the bottom. And now we're putting the rear brake line in.
All right, so he got both front lines hooked in from the portion valve.
I just got to put this one into that side, but for some reason it won't fit right.
It don't?
Let's see.
I may have to get on there and angle it.
That went. There we go. That's good.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to get y'all where y'all can somewhat see what I'm doing down here. I don't know. Probably won't be able to. See, cut the light on. So here's where brake lines in. They run down. I'm stuck. Oh Lord. They run up under the oil pan and go back there with that. Jack the rear end up. Put it on jack stands to get the wheels and tires off so we can finish these lines out. I know it's hard to see. Let me get my arm out of the way. Alright, so we want to pop the small line, or the small line off here. All the way down. this. Watch your eyes.
Let me borrow that. Watch your eyes.
Yeah. We got to get that off right here to get this rubber line off. These two brake lines, and this will be done. Alright guys, so we ran into a problem. We did not receive one important part that we had that was supposed to connect the end of this line to the end of that line right there. So we're going to put that line on real quick, run it up, get right here, and then tomorrow we're just going to go buy a union to go in it and finish this deal up. We got everything done up here. We got our new brake lines there. That one got a new rubber line. And then that one goes from right here at the rear axle all the way to the front. We're going to slap it on, throw the wheels on it so it's movable, and call it a day. Huh? Yeah, one part killing us. But we're going to end this video with this right here. Hope y'all have a good day. Hit that like, subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.